Hello and welcome to Mediacafe Travel. Be sure to subscribe by hitting the red button below or right here on the bottom right hand corner of the video. Today's video is all about the chocolate shop experience in Las Vegas. So as you know, we've been doing a series of dessert experiences. We've talked about candy shops, and this is a candy shop experience, but mainly geared toward the chocolate shops that feature mainly chocolate. So first, by the link, there's a lot of great places. We showed you I Love Sugar, but right near I Love Sugar is a Ghiradelli shop. And the Ghiradelli shop obviously features Ghiradelli chocolate, which is very famous and very much kind of everywhere. If you go to your local store, you'll find some Ghiradelli's chocolate. They do have sundaes and milkshakes that feature the Ghiradelli's chocolate, but they also serve as a chocolate shop. So let's take a look. So next, let's venture to the Venetian and the Palazzo. And in between, of course, there's the Grand Canal shops. And in the Grand Canal shops, there is another famous chocolate brand that has a shop there, and it is Godiva. Now, a lot of you are probably familiar with Godiva. They are ubiquitous chocolatiers and started in Belgium in the 20s. But this shop is in the Grand Canal shops, and of course, they have lots of different chocolate treats. Some are truffles and some are bars and everything else. Social distancing does apply, so there is a limit to how many people can actually get in the store, as you can see. Sort of people waiting in line to get their Godiva. Next, let's talk about M&Ms. Now, M&Ms seem like hard candy because they have a hard candy shell, but inside all the M&Ms is one thing, and that's chocolate. And so M&Ms is a very popular store in the Vegas Strip with lots of merchandise, of course, and lots of M&Ms. So you can see on the shelves lots of different varieties of M&Ms, and of course a lot of different gear, because those M&Ms commercials are pretty popular, and those characters have become sort of iconic in a certain way. So there are 4 stories to the M&M store, and so there's so many different things. So we're going to take you on the trip, on the journey to all 4 stories. So as you can see, there's so many different flavors or styles of M&Ms, I should say. Flavors, I don't know if that's the right word, but styles of M&Ms. And of course, M&Ms known for multicolored. And then there's, of course, famous stories about people only liking a particular color of M&M. Famous rock stars, perhaps in their dressing room, ordering only a specific color of M&M be available to them. So if you needed that service, they got you covered here on the big wall of M&Ms. You can get a whole bag of a specific color, or you can get different types of M&Ms, you know, ranging from dark chocolate to milk chocolate to mint to pretzel M&Ms. I mean, all the different flavors of M&Ms are available. The kind with peanuts and the kind without peanuts, $7.99 for a half pound in the bag. But so you can certainly get your M&M fix if you come to the M&M store. It's very popular with kids, of course. And again, it's a fun place to visit, you know, whether you're an M&M fan or not. So what's your favorite M&M character? Those characters are very iconic. Like I mentioned, red and, of course, yellow peanut M&M, voiced by J.K. Simmons, the famous actor. And, of course, green M&M and several more since then. But they are certainly the draw here, is the characterizations of the M&Ms. So certainly a unique store for a unique brand. But next, if you're at the airport in Las Vegas, there is an Ethel M chocolate shop. Ethel M's are very tasty chocolates and very good quality chocolates. And in the Las Vegas airport, there is a Ethel M chocolate shop available. So as you can see, not cheap. This is gourmet chocolate. They do have truffles and other items that are very tasty. And of course, being in the Las Vegas airport, they do have special sort of branded packages of Ethel's chocolate. As you can see here, slot machine themes and other cases, and you know, Las Vegas on the cover. And of course, there's even one for the Las Vegas hockey team there. But this again is very unique to have a famous chocolate shop in the airport, and you can see there fresh confections here, some truffles and some other chocolate items, and they're very tasty actually. So Ethel M's is a really quality chocolate brand, and you can find it right in the airport. Next, let's go to New York, New York. Not to Tom Urban's, but to Hershey's Chocolate World, which of course, like M&M, is got a lot of, here's the Statue of Liberty, so you know you're in New York, New York. A lot of different chocolate brands with Hershey, and so you can see they sell all the different Hershey's products, as well as Reese's. And again, a lot of merchandising as well, because Hershey's is a popular brand, just like M&Ms. And you can see gigantic Kit Kat bars, other specialty items, even Jolly Ranchers and lunch boxes. So again, branded Hershey's items, along with lots of chocolate. So certainly a very interesting place to visit as well is the Hershey store. And again, just like M&Ms, you can get any kind of Hershey's that you can imagine in a bag, and a gigantic Hershey Kisses, as you can see. So again, very fun store to visit. And they serve milkshakes. The milkshakes are very tasty, made with Hershey's chocolate. So I do recommend it if you are in the mood for a milkshake. But that does it for Chocolate Shops in Las Vegas. Please share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you never miss a video from Mediacafe Travel. And thank you for watching. See you next time.